Welcome kids and welcome back to our fun drawing and painting class. Are you ready to draw something easy and beautiful today? Let's pick up our pencil and start drawing together. Today we are going to draw a light bulb. First draw a big round shape like a circle. Now make a small curve inside the circle. Good job! Next draw the bottom part of the bulb. Add some small lines to make it look real. Now draw a small curved line inside the bulb. Now draw little lines around the bulb. These lines show that the bulb is shining. Next we will draw shining stars. Great! Our drawing is ready. Now it's time to color. Color the bulb yellow. Color slowly and neatly. Color the bottom part light blue. Excellent! You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing drawing and painting every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next fun drawing video.